This city is known for canals. Let's talk about in this video top things to do here in Cape Coral, Florida. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see and you will know all the information you need when you're coming down here, or maybe you've been living here and you know nothing about Cape Coral, Florida. Hopefully this video will help you out. So stay tuned. Let's watch this video to the end. Before we dive into this video, I want to introduce myself. My name is Alek Petrov. I'm one of the local real estate agents here in Southwest Florida. So if you have any questions about real estate here or anything else in Southwest Florida, I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. If you're buying condo, house, renting, building, whatever you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. But in this video, let's talk about specifically about Cape Coral, Florida and the beauty of it and what to do here. Cape Coral, it's known for all the canals because if you look at it, none of the cities have as many canals as Cape Coral with the access to the Gulf, right? Not Naples, not Bonita Springs, not Sarasota, not Bradenton, not Venice, Port Charlotte. Cape Coral has a lot of canals and a bunch of them are connected to the Gulf that you can easy access to it as well. And there's so many projects that are happening up there. So it's a beautiful city. It's growing pretty fast. If you are a lover to have a boat or yacht, that's be a good place for it because you do have that easy access to get to the Gulf and a lot more homes that are on the water. As we talk a little more about the Cape Coral, right, which has to offer the canals, but it's very water sport. If you ask people that love, if you love jet skis, kayaking, boating, things to do on the water. It does not have a beach. By the yacht clubhouse, there used to be a beach. They are remodeling after Hurricane Ian and got washed off. The whole boardwalk, the whole deck just got destroyed, so they're putting it back together. They are working on it and to get it back open. There's another areas where they're opening it up, more parks they're putting in there. If you're a water freak and you love that kind of lifestyle, definitely if you love boat or jet ski, definitely Cape Coral. I know there's some people moving from Naples to come down here to Cape Coral because they like that environment, or you can say like, especially like a Southeast Cape Coral, South Cape Coral, you have a very easy access to a Gold Coast. It's pretty cool. So anyway, another thing that I want to say, visit Rotary Park Environmental Center, guys. This is a very cool park. You want to definitely go check it out. It's a pretty cool place, and I wish I recorded some videos when I was there with my kids. It was pretty cool. See, you have a lot of nature trailer parks. There's a butterfly house there as well. You go check it out. Definitely don't recommend it during the summertime season and after 11, 12 p.m. If you're here during summertime, try to get there early in the morning. Definitely not at night. It's getting hot out here summertime, wintertime. Definitely go check it out. If you're coming here with the kids, or you do have a kid, or you feel like a kid in your heart, Sun Splash Waterpark, it's located here in Cape Coral as well. It's a pretty nice park where you go out there with the kids very often. You can also rent like an area that you can just relax. If you have grandkids or if you have kids, you go there, you can just let them go run around. It's pretty nice, it's pretty secure. You have some rides, some crazy rides. There's 3 crazy rides. I actually went down to one of them. It was a summertime, obviously summer season, so we have this whole tornado and hurricane season and lightning, and so there was an alarm went off, so I had to wait. But it's pretty good to go check it out. There's areas that can go there as well. A few rides for the kids for all the ages as well. I mean, I got my oldest one is 6, my middle one's 4, and they both love it. They always go out there. You can also get like they have some drinks there, refreshing drinks. They have pretty good pizza there as well. So it's definitely go check it out. Definitely get some tickets there. Let's talk about the festival, right? Oktoberfest festival that is happening in Cape Coral. If you are crossing the Cape Coral Bridge, if you cross it over, you're coming right into the old Cape Coral downtown. They shut down the whole area. Sometimes they will do for the Christmas. They will do a bunch of events there. Definitely go check it out on the Cape Coral City website. See what's events happening for Oktober Festival. It's pretty cool. And there's a bunch of restaurants, a bunch of pops, mom shops right in that street. Definitely highly recommend to go and check it out. And there's the boat club right nearby as well. You can go have a nice meal out there, and hopefully by time if you're here in the winter time, hopefully they'll be more fixed, more things to do right there in the water. So yes, definitely check it out, the festivals. Another thing is diving into waterfront restaurants, guys. Especially at Cape Harbor is be more your southeast side of it. Definitely there's some restaurants out there to go check it out. There's nice pizza. There's a place that sells pizza pretty good. There's restaurants, there's a boardwalk you can go to. There's pops, mom shops, kind of pretty cool. And then if you don't like that, just go to Lobster Lady. Lobster Lady doesn't have much place to walk, but it's just some restaurants there. If you want more information in regards how to get there, send me a message message. I will shoot you. I have no problem to shoot you addresses, the places that I would go. Pretty amazing, lovely places. So definitely highly recommend it. All right, next one is, guys, is, you know, Florida is well known for golfing, right? And Cape Coral has a few places to go check it out to golf. I wouldn't say it has as many as Fort Myers has. So overall, Florida has a lot of golf courses, right? I believe so. Southwest Florida is one of the top places in whole Florida. They'll have the more golf courses that is out there in whole Florida. So Cape Coral has some of the places, a lot of them in community. Top golfing, it's more in Fort Myers. So you can't really say it's in the Cape Coral, but it's kind of a bit expensive too. In my opinion, it's just 75 bucks an hour. Pretty expensive. Anyway, and another thing, guys, what I want to say is you got to check this place. It's a farmer's market, and it's located on Pine Island in Chiquita, out there in the corner. The farmer's market, definitely go check it out. It has fresh fruits out there, fresh meats, fresh seafood out there as well that you can get it. I love that place. If you want to get a nice good steak, I go there. There's some amazing fruits as well that are kind of local here. Definitely go check it out. That place is pretty stoked. It's pretty cool. So guys, here you go. You guys, I told you guys the water sports, the restaurants and areas to go check it out too. You know, if you get down here as well, definitely go. I know Mount Lachey has been destroyed. It's kind of off the Pine Island. If you are driving to Chiquita, Pine Island, you go up there, heading towards the Pine Island, there's Mount Lachey, kind of outskirts of Cape Coral. Definitely go check it out. It's a pretty cool place as well. It's kind of a little bit destroyed, but there's some pop and mom shops open up, some restaurants open up as well. Anyway, guys, if you want to call Cape Coral your home, give me a shout out. I'd be more than happy to answer the questions that you have. If you're trying to invest or if you're trying to just relocate, I do have guides, relocation guides. I do have a home buyer strategy for you to easy to get here, or if you're trying to move and trying to buy. So if any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so you get to know everything what's happening here in Southwest Florida. So I'm super stoked. I hope to see you guys in the next video.